So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do stage 1 of setting up your live bus or rail departure board. So first you're going to click on stage 1 and then you're going to see a link to the Raspberry Pi website. From here we'll download the Raspberry Pi OS imaging tool and install it onto your PC. Simply launch up the program, click on Choose OS, then click on Other, then click on Raspberry Pi OS Lite 32-bit, then make sure you have your SD card plugged in and simply select it and click on Write. Once completed, remove the SD card from the computer and re-plug it in. If asked to format it in any way, simply click No, then launch your SD card up into File Explorer, make sure that View File Name Extensions is turned on. We're now going to create a new text document by right-clicking and pressing New. We're going to completely change the name of the file, removing the .txt on the end as such. And we're then going to repeat the process again, creating another file, but this time we're just going to call it .ssh. Now we're going to launch up the WPA supplicant file in Notepad. Next, we're going to copy and paste from my website, changing the SSID to your Wi-Fi network's name and PSK to your Wi-Fi's password. You should make sure you keep the speech marks around the values. Once done, click Save and then close down the document. Now we're going to remove the SD card from the computer, place it into the Pi and power it on. Now while our Pi is booting up, we're going to go to the PuTTY website and download the software like so. Next, make sure that your laptop and computer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network and launch up PuTTY. We're going to enter Raspberry Pi into the hostname with ports 22 and SSH mode selected, then click on Open. If prompted, select Yes, and then log in with the username of Pi and the password of Raspberry. These are the default values. Once logged in, type in the following command. And then scroll down to Update using the arrow keys and click Enter to select a value, then let it update. Once completed, click on System Options, then scroll down to Password and change your password from the default value to secure your Pi. Once you've changed your password, scroll down to Interface Options, then click on SBI and enable that. Next, we're going to scroll down to Advanced Options, then click on Expand File System and let that run. Once completed, we're going to update your Pi. This can take a while, but simply type in sudo apt update -y followed by sudo apt full upgrade -y as shown on my website. Now once done, you're going to have to shut down your Pi and connect up your display to your device using my wiring guide on my website. Now once everything's wired up, you've hopefully completed stage 1 and can now move on to stage 2.